wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! Today we have an exciting episode because today we're going to teach you of all the things you will need for your beach holiday, right? And for that, let's start collecting all the things so we can go through all of the items and then we will put them all into the suitcase. So let me get the suitcase first and then I'll get the items so we can go through them all, okay? So hold on, right there. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, that was quite a heavy one. And I don't think it's even full yet, but let me first put it to the side here so you kids can see, right? There we go. So let me open that right here, right? There we go. Whew, that's a heavy one. Believe it or not, the suitcase is empty. So, now that we've opened it and we have our suitcase ready, let me get the items, okay? So, let me get them in my drawer right here. Hold on. I know I'll need a towel. And then, I know I'll need those goggles. And then, we'll probably take a lemon. Oh, the other things. I think they're in the basement. Oh, I'll be right back, kids. I'll be right back. Okay, I'll be right back.
Oh, hi, kids. Why are you all on your own? Where's Noah? What's this? Is he helping you and teaching you how to prepare for the beach? Yeah, I'm packing myself right now, but he said he'd take care of it. I'm really busy. There are so many things that I have to think about. My dresses, my bows, and my hair ties, and my swimsuit. It takes way too much time for me to pack. But Noah's really good about packing. He lays everything out and then packs everything. But look, there's my beach towel. Oh, I've been looking all over for this. Oh, and my goggles. Let me get those too so I can pack them. There, oh, good. Thanks, Noah. So let me just take this and then I'll continue packing. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the beach, okay? So, bye. See you later. I need to go pack.
Okay, I got all of the beach stuff now. So that's that. And then this is the basket there. I'll put that in there. Right? And then, of course, we can't forget our shovel. Right? I'll put that to the side here as well. There we go. And then our beach ball, our drink. And then if we want to play with the sandcastles, we might as well do that too, right? Yeah, okay. And then I'm pretty sure we are supposed to take those along. I still found those in the basement as well. There we go. And then, what else was I missing? Oh, kids. Oh, sorry, kids. But I need to still find my towel and then we can start packing, okay? So, hold on 1 second. There, I found it. Now I think I have all of the items now, right? It's... What happened? Our sign fell down and half of the stuff that I put out is all gone. Kids, did you see what happened? Did you see where all of these things went? Oh no, I think I lost everything. I better... Oh, this is not good. Oh no. Let me see if Olivia knows. Oh, Olivia! Olivia, help!
Hi, Noah, what's up?
Olivia, I put all the things for us to pack out here, but half of it is gone.
Huh? Really? Oh, but what happened? And why did our sign fall down?
I don't know. I think somebody was here and took all of our stuff, but I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore.
Well, how about you start by saying what's missing? Maybe I can help, or the kids saw something.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So I got us what did I get? I got us our tools in order to build with the sand.
Oh, yeah, playing in the sand. That's going to be fun. But wait, look, there's our bucket.
The bucket is there, but not the figures, and our shovel is gone.
Oh, but who would have taken that? I don't understand. Who would have taken that?
I don't understand either. I mean, I laid it all out there so I could pack it and show the kids what we're going to take so they know what to take with them to the beach.
Of course, I understand, but I don't know how to help you, Noah.
And I even got your swim goggles and your towel.
Oh, I actually took that. I packed those with my stuff.
Wait, if you took that, did you take all of the other things?
No. I did not take the other things.
Are you sure? Who else should have taken the things?
I know I didn't take those things. Do you want me to show you?
No, I believe you. Of course, Olivia, I believe you.
But, maybe you should ask Fluffy.
Fluffy? Really?
I think the kids are saying yes.
Kids, are you saying we should ask Fluffy to see what happened? Yes?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
Okay, Then let's go and find Fluffy. Hey, Fluffy! What are you doing? Oh, did I wake you up? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to wake you up. Fluffy, I needed to ask you a question. Oh, yeah. First, do you know... Oh, wait. That's my towel. That's... Did you take my towel? What? Why are you hiding? What are you hiding? What else do you have under your bed? Do I need to come look? What else are you hiding underneath there? Those are my noodles. And my beach ball. Fluffy, we need that for our beach trip. Are you going to help me bring that back and then start packing? You weren't supposed to take that. Oh, look at all of that. Those are all of the things that we need for the beach. Well, Fluffy, why don't you come help and bring that back again? I don't know why you were hiding. You know that we're going to take you along with us on this trip. We're not going to let you stay. You're going to come along, of course. Come on, Fluffy. I'm going to pack your dog leash and bowl, and then you'll know that you're going to come, okay? You'll help me out? Okay, so why don't you take the towel, and then I'll grab the other stuff, okay? Come on, let's go. Okay, I think we have everything. Oh, Fluffy, what do you have there? Oh, you want to pack the sun? Okay, well, let's pack the sun, right? Yeah, I think now we're all packed up, are we? No? Well, what else did we forget, Fluffy? Oh, kids, there must be something that we forgot. Oh, Fluffy, your toy and your leash, of course. We don't want to forget that. Yeah, put it in the suitcase. And, well, kids, I think we just have to finish this and get ready and get on the road, right? Yeah, Fluffy, you're excited now too, aren't you? Well, kids, I wish all of you a wonderful vacation time. We will see you tomorrow at the beach. Sounds good? Have a great trip wherever you're going, and see you tomorrow. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.